I know some of that shot hit that target out there. Hey guys, Avner Miranda here. Welcome out to the range. I wanted to do a follow-up video on one that I did a few months ago where I put in the description the qualifier, if you will, for that video, and people still managed to lose their mind because they weren't reading. Because unfortunately, we have become a society of non-readers. And basically what the video is, it's a video on why an NRA instructor certification is darn near worthless in my estimation. So I'm going to now add in this follow-up video what is in the description of the original video. Unless you are talking about teaching concealed carry permit classes. There, done. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Guys, it's literally that simple. Every single argument that you guys made was, oh yeah, it's a requirement of the state for me to teach the carry permit. That's not what I'm talking about. It's not what I'm talking about, guys. It's not what I'm talking about. What I'm referring to is the NRA is the self-prescribed arbiters and defenders of all things Second Amendment. And we as a populace, for far too long, have been giving them our money, and they've been making fools of themselves, but really more importantly, they've been making fools of you and me by taking our money. I stopped giving them money a long time ago. I stopped giving them money long before it was considered cool to stop giving them money. In fact, I stopped giving them money when Obama was still in office. In fact, 2011, I believe, is when I stopped giving them money, because I realized the hypocrisy of what it was that they were doing. So when the NRA endorsed President Trump in 2016, woo, how exciting, don't care. It was irrelevant to me, because all it is a money mill. Here we are in November 19th, 2020. Right now the elections are being contested. It is a crap show extraordinaire going on right now. And more than enough people are now seeing that there are people within our government that are of the same ilk that work at the NRA. People who don't give a damn about America. All they care about is lining their pockets with your cash. And now, I hope that this video will be received with a bit more level-headedness, because a lot of you flat out lost your minds, and a bunch of you ended up getting permanently blocked from my channel and having your comments removed because you've gotten that bad. Guys, just because, look, let's say that the original video was me flat out calling the NRA just a bunch of ridiculous, unfounded things. Guys, it's still my opinion, and this is my channel. To call me stupid names, to threaten me, y'all, some of y'all think I'm exaggerating, to threaten me, to write a paragraph and a half. Actually, no, I'm sorry. One dude actually wrote 4.5 paragraphs. I literally had to keep scrolling, and I showed it to my wife, and she goes, oh man, that's a keeper. It was bad. This dude wrote a manifesto of hate toward me, all because he was an instructor extraordinaire in his mind, and he taught hundreds and hundreds of people their carry, the carry permit classes, and I was shaming the profession, and I'm like, dude, and my response to him was literally, read the description, period, send. And then I never heard anything else, because it's in the description that I'm not talking about carry permit. Guys, I get it. And by the way, that actually makes the argument for me. Why do states require that you be NRA certified to teach a carry permit? Because the NRA, for generations, has fooled everybody into thinking that they are what? Oh, that's right. That they are the arbiters, the defenders, and the representatives of the Second Amendment. The fact of the matter is the Second Amendment belongs to everybody and nobody. And once again, if that hasn't become painfully clear, that we the people really truly meant and means something in this country, because our founding fathers in all their wisdom laid out so many things that right now in 2020 are being used to defend freedom from those who would take it from us. Guys, if you're missing that, please pack up and go somewhere else. And by the way, I don't think Canada will take you, and you probably don't want to be there because they've been implicated in this whole mess with the Dominion voting machines. Whoops, there's that. Have a good one, guys. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. This is what I love about this shotgun. Even with a 12-inch barrel, it is capable of so much accuracy. Guys, this is birdshot. And I'm still hitting that target out there. Listen. In fact, you just saw the wad bounce off of that target. So that's proof enough that this gun gets it done. God bless you all. Have a good one.